All right, folks. Here we go again with another beautiful 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor, straight appearance package with the black trimming instead of the chrome. The vehicle is original light ice blue from factory. The paint looks great. It looks very shiny, super clean, very slick, and it does have very few tiny little scratches that are hardly noticeable, not unless you get up close and personal. Folks, this vehicle was an LA County Sheriff Detective Unit. Not sure what field office it came out of, but the title says LA County Sheriff Office, so that's where the vehicle came from. The vehicle is in immaculate running condition as it has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Folks, vehicle does have fresh new window tint all around. The tint that was on the vehicle when I first got her in, it was burnt and looking purplish, so I had that replaced with 15% all around, not too dark, not too light, and it's just the perfect color combo. Vehicle doesn't have any holes on the body whatsoever. No holes on the body whatsoever. And once again, this was a detective unit, an LA County detective unit with 85,000 miles and only 535 idle hours. I do apologize, folks, I didn't cover that in the beginning of the video, but the vehicle does have 85,000 miles with only 535 idle hours. Folks, let me stop right here. On the rear bumper, driver's side rear bumper, you're gonna see some markings right there. My detail crew told me that they couldn't fix that, and it looked like it went into the paint, so he left it stained and they couldn't fix it. All right, this is gonna be the only mishap on the vehicle right here on the rear bumper, all right, that pretty much catches your eye. Let's continue, because I do only have 12 minutes to say what I need to say and let you guys see the vehicle. Folks, I do have a brand new Police Interceptor badge sticker here. The one that was on the car was peeling off, so I put a new one. This is the original equipment, new one. This is gonna be a flex fuel unit, E85 OK on this one. Folks, once again, on the rear bumper, I do have another scuff mark right here. You guys can see that right there. This is all original. I decided to leave it alone for you guys to see it. And if you're gonna go ahead and take care of the rear bumper, my best bet recommendation would be for you to have the whole bumper repainted, make it look new all over again. The rear bumper will be my only recommendation. Everything else, folks, I already took care of. Before I forget, I do have a brand new set of Goodyear Eagles RSAs, brand new set of takeoffs. The tires that came with the vehicle, they were dry rot. They didn't meet my standards, so once again, folks, I did give you a brand new set of Goodyear RSAs. These are going to be the new takeoffs. DOT on the tires are going to be 2021. So yeah, the fairly new thread. You're going to be about 95% all around, folks. I went in there and chose the 4 tires myself. I'm a pretty picky guy, so let me tell you, I grabbed the best ones and I did pay the price for them. Most of you guys already know that everything is going up, and when you become picky like me, picky people have to pay the price. So I got you the best ones that I was able to find on the warehouse. No spotlights on the vehicle whatsoever, folks. Once again, this was a detective unit, so no spotlights on here. I did give you a brand new set of original equipment, headlights. The ones that came with the car, they were yellowish, and I don't like to waste my time trying to clean those up because they're gonna go back to yellow in no time. So what I like to do for you guys is just replace, give you a whole new set of OEM Ford headlamp and bulbs along with that. Okay, so I gave the car a facelift. Front grille looks good. No chips, no cracks on the front windshield. And this is the time where my neighbors start to come in. I hope I don't have to move the car. I'm gonna have to move the car. You got it? You got it. I'm always in the way. All right, I don't have to move the car. All right. Once again, folks, this is gonna be the only mishap here on the rear bumper, along with the other little bite that was on the bumper cover. All right, let's go inside and step it up a little bit here because the clock is ticking. All right, folks, as you guys can see, I do have a perfect matching interior. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpeting floors with all 4 matching original equipment floor mats still in the vehicle, thankfully. Rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the car, so if you do have passengers, they'll be able to exit out of the vehicle themselves, and you don't have to open the door for them. This is gonna be an X-Ray 5 rear axle. Once again, X5 327 track lock rear axle. X5 is what everybody wants. X-Ray 5. Electric seats. Once again, carpeting floors, no tears in the carpet. Everything is intact. Driver's side seat in just about perfect condition. So is the passenger side. Working cruise control. Honk does work. All right. Let's get inside of the vehicle here. Let me turn this off here real quick. Vehicle did come with 1 key, 1 factory fob. There is a secondary fob in the glove box. I believe he has a dead battery. The dash is in nice shape, almost perfect. I do have 1 little tiny hole right here. Let me clean this up here for you guys. 1 little tiny hole right here, which this tells me this is where the siren switch was. Unit number, vehicle number. Factory AM, FM, CD player. Honk does work. Working cruise control. Super nice. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Vehicle does have 84,000 miles and counting. So far, I'm responsible for 59 miles driven since the clock was reset. So I am putting some miles in this beauty. 535 idle hours. Stereo does work. All 4 speakers do work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Do not delete my video. Folks, you're gonna see that the ashtray lid here is missing. It always gets broken if you're not being careful with it. So I went on eBay and I got you another one, and hopefully I got you the matching color, this is why I pay 110 bucks for it. So matching color ashtray is coming. This is gonna be the insert only, the tray, but I'm gonna take care of you. All right, it's coming, don't worry about it. We got 4 little holes over there in the kick panel. That's where they usually mount the siren, the radio speaker, so you can hear the police radio coming through the vehicle. So that's what you have over there. Working ticket light with new lens. Map lights do work. Let's get to the trunk. And under the hood, the clock is ticking, so I need to hurry up because I only have 12 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the famous trunk, the Crown Victoria trunk. Now this is something you don't see every day. I do have a full matching spare tire, hold down pan, floor jack in place. Vehicle came equipped with a fire extinguisher, first aid kit, and triangle reflectors. All right, what you see here is what you're gonna get. I'm not taking anything away. All right, let's continue. Folks, if you see something you like in my inventory, please do not hesitate. Unit number 61852. LA County unit 61852. Folks, if you see something you like, please don't hesitate to give me a call, text me, email me, and let's talk about it. There is no telling how long these cars are gonna be online for sale. So if I have something you've been looking for, please make contact. Emission sticker in place. VIN tag in place. This is a California unit, no rust on there whatsoever. Folks, as you can see, the detail crew did an amazing job bringing this car back to life. from what she was looking like when I first got her in. The engine has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is ready for her new home. All right, let's get this started. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was service and clean out. I do have full synthetic 520 oil service and filter. I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Transmission was serviced, Motorcraft fluid and filter. I do have a brand new battery. Air conditioner is nice and cold from that department. Drive belt, tensioner, and pulley do appear to be in new conditions, and I'm guessing the department replaced that a few miles down before the car got decommissioned, so they took care of that. Water pump looks to have been already replaced as well. Let me see. Oh, before I forget, folks, rear differential was topped off, so it's nice and full. You do have a brand new fuel filter as well on the back, on the rear right, so it's a brand new fuel filter, brand new headlamps and bulbs. Also, upon inspection, the vehicle does have a brand new set of rotors, brakes and rotors all around, courtesy of the LA County Department. All right, once again, brand new brakes and rotors all around. Once again, folks, I didn't have to go out and spend money on brakes because the department took care of that for me. However, I did everything else, and once again, folks, I have set you up for success on another great running vehicle that is turnkey ready to go anywhere. Just gas up and go, literally. All right, folks, the clock is ticking. I do gotta go. The Crown Victoria guy was here with another beauty. Folks, if you see something you like, please do not hesitate to give me a call or text me. I'll be more than happy to talk to you. Thank you. God bless, and thanks for watching.